Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. Welcome to Madonna School. I am Mrs. Jayashree, your GK teacher. Children, tell me, have you seen a garden or went to a park? Okay, what do you see there? We see trees, grass, plants, flowers, and many more things. What is fluttering in the picture, children? Yes, that's great. Flowers. Flowers are beautiful additions to our homes, wedding, and special events. So, today's topic is flowers. Flowers. A flower is the part of a plant that blossoms. Flower produce seed that can become new plant. The flowers grow in a tree or a plant. Let's learn about different types of flowers by watching a small video.
Flowers, flowers everywhere. Oh, they look so bright. See them in many colors. What a pretty sight. Flowers have petals in different shapes and sizes. The sweet smell and color attract bees and butterflies. Some have many petals, some have just a few. From every little bud blossoms a flower new. Flowers, flowers everywhere. Oh, they look so bright. See them in many colors. What a pretty sight. Flowers have petals in different shapes and sizes. The sweet smell and color attract bees and butterflies. Some have many petals, some have just a few. From every little bud blossoms a flower new.
Did you enjoy the video, children? Are you all happy? Okay. What is this? This is a lotus. This is a lotus. Repeat, children. Lotus. Lotus flower grows in muddy water. At night, the flower closes and sinks underwater. In the morning, once again, it rises and opens. It is also called as our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Name our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Repeat, children. Name our national flower. Name our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Repeat, children. Lotus is our national flower. What is this, children? This is a rose. This is a rose. Rose is a type of shrub. Roses grow in different colors like yellow, red, pink, white, orange. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, likes rose. My favorite flower is rose. It is your favorite flower. Okay, very good. Repeat, children. Rose. Rose. What comes next? It is an aster. Repeat, children. Aster. It is an aster. Aster is named as garden plant because of its attractive and colorful flowers. Repeat children. Aster. Aster. So what comes next? It is a lily. Repeat children. Lily. There are many types of lilies like trumpet lilies and tiger lilies. They are quite tall. So what is it? Lily. Repeat children. Lily. What comes next? It is a tulip. Tulip. Repeat children. Tulip. Tulip is usually large and bright cup-shaped colored flower. Tulip. Repeat children. Tulip. It is generally in red, pink, yellow, white and purple color. What comes next? It is a daisy. A daisy flower is composed of white petals and yellow center. Although the flower can sometimes have pink or rose color. So what is it? It is a daisy. Repeat after me children. Daisy. Daisy. What's this? This is a hibiscus. Repeat children. This is a hibiscus. 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 Hibiscus comes in many colors like red, yellow, white or peach. It can be as big as 6 inches wide. The red color hibiscus is cultivated for medical purposes. What is this children? Hibiscus. Repeat children. Hibiscus. What are these? These are bluebells. Repeat children. Bluebells. Bluebells are plants with blue flowers shaped like bells. So what are these? These are bluebells. Repeat children. Bluebells. What comes next? It is a sunflower. Sunflower. Repeat children. Sunflower. This is a sunflower. It has yellow petals. The sunflower always looks towards the sun and follows the sun from east to west. So that is why it is named as sunflower. Which flower always follows the sun? Which flower always follows the sun, children? Yes, correct. Sunflower always follows the sun. Which flower always follows the sun? Sunflower always follows the sun. Repeat after me, children. Which flower always follows the sun? Sunflower always follows the sun. Which flower always follows the sun? Sunflower always follows the sun.
Kids, now you can observe how the sunflower follows the sun from east to west.
What is this, children? This is a daffodil. This is a daffodil. Repeat, children. Daffodil. Daffodil is the first flower we see in springtime, and it is a great indicator that winter is over. What is this? This is a daffodil. Repeat, children. Daffodil. What are these? These are jasmines. Repeat, children. These are jasmines. Jasmines are shrubs and they have pleasant smell. These are widely grown for its fragrance. Repeat, children. What are these? Jasmines. These are jasmines. What is this? Pansy. Repeat, children. Pansy. Pansy is a type of garden flower. It is used to make syrup, flavored honey, and salads. What is it? Pansy. Repeat, children. Is it pansy? Pansy. Pansy. The last flower. What is it? Dahlia. Repeat, children. Dahlia. Dahlia is brightly colored garden flower with long thin petals in a shape like ball. What is it, children? Dahlia. Repeat after me. Dahlia. Dahlia. Let's recall our flowers once again, children. Repeat after me. Flowers. Flowers. Lotus. Lotus. Rose. Rose. Aster. Aster. Lily. Lily. Tulip. Tulip. Daisy. Daisy. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Bluebell. Bluebell. Sunflower. Sunflower. Daffodil. Daffodil. Jasmine. Jasmine. Pansy. Pansy. Dahlia. Dahlia. Children, let's learn questions and answers. Questions and answers. Name our national flower. Name our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Repeat, children. Lotus is our national flower. Name our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Which flower always follows the sun? Which flower always follows the sun? Sunflower always follows the sun. Sunflower always follows the sun. Which flower always follows the sun? Sunflower always follows the sun. Name our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Which flower always follows the sun? Sunflower always follows the sun. Name your favorite flower. Which is your favorite flower, children? You can name your favorite flower. My favorite flower is rose. That is my favorite flower. That is rose. My favorite flower is rose. Your favorite flower. Which is your favorite flower? You can see this one. Once again, repeat after me. Name our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Which flower always follows the sun? Sunflower always follows the sun. Name your favorite flower. My favorite flower is rose. Parents, please guide your child to take picture dictionary book. Children, take your picture dictionary book. Picture dictionary book. Page number 20. Page number 20. Repeat after me, children. Lesson number 15, flowers. Lesson number 15, flowers. Lotus. Repeat, children. Lotus. Lotus. Rose. 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 Aster. Aster. Lily. 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 Tulip. Tulip. Daisy. Daisy. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Bluebell. Bluebell. Sunflower. Sunflower. Daffodil. Daffodil. Jasmine. Jasmine. Pansy. Pansy. Dahlia. Dahlia. Parents, kindly guide your child to learn question and answers from lesson number 15, flowers, in Picture Dictionary book. Thank you, children. Bye bye. See you in the next class.